Day 17 of Vlogmas. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watchers personal points plan that's helped me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we're doing day 17 of Vlogmas, and we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day. We have some errands to run. I have to get my license plates renewed, and I'm getting my booster shot for COVID-19. So I'm gonna see what goes on today, but if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, I will share that with you. Come on along and share the day with me. First, I'm gonna have an iced coffee before I go out and get my plates and my booster shot, and then I will come back and make some breakfast, and I'm gonna make some pancake muffins, sausage pancake muffins for breakfast. Cheers. Here's my Christmas shirt of the day. Merry and bright. Well, I had to get an e-check on my car. I don't know if you guys are, Ohio has this thing where they check the emissions testing in your car, so you have to pass it before you get plates. So I had to spend $300 to get it fixed, and now it's done, and I got that. I finally passed it, so now I can go get my plates. So that's what I'm off to do now. For breakfast, I'm gonna make some pancake sausage muffins, and the base of it is the Kodiak Cakes flapjack and waffle mix, and I'm gonna use a cup of that, a tablespoon of baking powder, 3 pinches of salt, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to mix that up. Then I'm going to add 3 eggs, 1 cup of turkey sausage crumbles that have already been cooked, 1 teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener, and 1 teaspoon of real maple extract. Then I'm going to mix these ingredients, and I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And I also add 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I have all these pancake muffins mixed up, and then I'm going to bake them in my silicone muffin tray pan, which I like to use for muffins because it doesn't stick. The silicone muffin pan is very good. The muffins don't stick, they come right out. But I'm gonna bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 16 minutes, and then I serve them with some sugar-free maple syrup. Here's the pancakes all done. See how easy they just pop out of the muffin tin? Whoop. Flip right out. Each one of these are 1 point. 2 are 3, and 3 are 4. They're about 1.5 inches high. That recipe makes 12 muffins. So easy. Woo. My tray of sausage pancake muffins, and they are so good with the sugar-free maple syrup. And there's my breakfast. I'm having scrambled eggs with 3 of the pancake sausage muffins, and that is going to be 4 points for the muffins, and 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free syrup for 0 points. So that is a 4-point breakfast. These pancakes are really good because the pancake muffins. I made 12 of them, and me and my husband are having a few of them, and then I'll freeze the rest, and I could just pop them right out of the freezer into the microwave and have them prepared and ready to go. So if you haven't tried these, try them. They're good. My mom used to make open-faced grilled cheese sandwiches in the broiler, and that's what I'm making today, except healthier. There's my lunch. I'm having an open-faced grilled cheese, and I did in the air fryer. And that is going to be 4 points. Each piece of cheese is Velveeta original for 1 point, and the bread is 1 point. And then I have 2 points worth of Trader Joe's low-fat, guiltless potato chips and some dill pickles for 0. So that's going to be my lunch for today. Some healthy snacks, some grilled chicken with sugar-free barbecue sauce, some low veggies, some low point hot dogs wrapped in crescent rolls, little pieces of it. And this is what I'm having for dinner. I made a 5-point pizza with turkey pepperoni, light mozzarella cheese on a spinach wrap. And then I made a couple of crescent rolls. I made 45-calorie hot dogs, which I cut into 4 pieces and wrapped in 1/4 of a crescent roll. So each of those I'm going to count as 1 point. And then I have 2 pieces of the Just Bare chicken, and that's going to be 3 points. 0 points for the baked fries and vegetables, and I have 1 tablespoon of Bolt House ranch dressing. And that is my dinner tonight. We're watching football. It's Thursday night. We're going to watch the Chiefs play the Chargers. Party food for dinner. Here's a couple of snacks I didn't record, an iced coffee and a 1-point fudge. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 17. I ended the day with 28 points. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.